hard, get dough. I can't get no sleep, please make my life more simple. But I wouldn't trade a thing for what I have. I go hard, do what I need to make it last. They say the good die young, I hope I'm bad. Cheers to my past.
You know, one of the things that I've had to do on my garage project is I've had to glue in these inserts into my aluminum garage doors. And basically it takes 2 tubes of caulking or adhesive, and I'm using some liquid nails, Fuse It Max, and it works really well. But it takes 2 tubes of caulking on each one. And what I've been using is this just standard caulking gun, and because of the temperature, and you know, you're really having to work pretty hard to get the caulking out of the gun, and putting 2 tubes in each square is not easy. So I was recently at my lumberyard and I saw this caulking gun. Now this is a 2-speed caulking gun, 8-to-1, 8-to-1, and 16-to-1, and it's called Convoy RS. It's pretty fancy and it's pretty expensive. I mean, a regular caulking gun probably costs you about $5, and this caulking gun cost about $35. So today I'm going to go ahead and review this because I thought it would help on my project. And yeah, let's see how it works. I can tell you right away that it's super fast, well worth the money. It's got 2 speeds, 8-to-1, and then 16-to-1. And it's really fast. And it was a lot easier to use. The action's a lot easier on your hand. Yeah, I gotta get this panel in here. super. So yeah, I have to give this is a Convoy RS, and like I said, it's 2-speed. If you have to do this much caulking with a caulking gun, and I've got a lot more to do, probably four more days, but this is well worth the $35. Anyway, thumbs up for the Convoy RS 2-speed caulking gun. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, like the video, and I'll see you next time. Later.
Work hard, get dough. I can't get no sleep, please make my life more simple. But I wouldn't trade a thing for what I had.